If you want to make sure your ridge vents were properly installed and actually doing their job, you gotta know what to look for, like right now. So, first off, check if the ridge vents are straight along the peak of your roof, not all wavy or messed up. You want a continuous venting gap under the ridge cap that lets hot air out but keeps rain and critters from sneaking in. Next, make sure the nails or screws holding the ridge vent down are flush and not sticking out where they can cause leaks. It helps to peek inside your attic during a hot day. If it's still super hot up there, your vents might not be working right. Also, look for any signs of water stains or mold near the ridge inside the attic. That usually means leaks or poor ventilation. Keep an eye on the soffit vents too, because good airflow depends on both soffit intake and ridge exhaust vents working together. Don't forget to clear away any debris or old roofing material blocking the vent openings. If you aren't sure, grabbing a professional roofer to inspect can save you from bigger headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes with ridge vent installation is not leaving enough space between the roof sheathing and the vent, which blocks airflow and kills ventilation. Fix this by making sure the vent channel is wide enough, about 1 inch or more. Another common issue is installing ridge vents without matching soffit vents below, so no fresh air comes in to push hot air out. Always check for balanced intake and exhaust vents. Lastly, some folks skip sealing the ridge cap correctly, letting water in and wrecking your roof. Using proper waterproof sealant and flashing can stop leaks for good. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it easy to find help that won't mess you around. And if you're a contractor looking to grow your business, it's a solid way to get new clients who need your skills without all the extra hassle.